be frantic, keep that vibrating motion up, as well as stay secure on the line. And it's just probably the most effective way to really bait a live bait critter like this. You can do it with pilchers or greenbacks, as well as other smaller, 2 to 4 inch live bait fish. And these you're just going to cast right here in the shallows. Now, the final and most important is going to be your cut bait. And this is what you're going to use predominantly when you're surf fishing on your bigger rods and reels to target bigger shark, bigger striped bass if you're up on the East Coast or West Coast, your drum, your snook, all of those fish that could potentially get over that 2 to 3 foot mark. Everything else we've covered here is kind of that bait for that under 2 foot fish. This is for everything over. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to cut 2 inch wide pieces, 1 to 2 inch wide pieces, and they're going to be about an inch or so thick, right? And so we'll start with the tail. The tail you're going to leave a little bit longer of a piece, maybe like a 3 inch piece, just because it's more narrow. There's less meat on it. So it's going to look a little bit more like this. But the rest of them are going to be about 2 inches to an inch. Right, and you just keep going up all the way to the head, and then you can keep the head too. Now, with these pieces, right,